Hey guys, Joe from Extreme Terrain, and today we're going to be working with the Rough Country wheel-to-wheel Nerf side step bars in black, fitting all 05 and newer Tacoma double cabs. Now these are going to be perfect for the Tacoma owner who doesn't mind spending top dollar for a well-manufactured and easy-to-install set of side step bars. These side step bars are made out of a heavy-duty corrosion-resistant tubing, and they feature a durable black powder coating which is not only there to add to the looks, but it also serves as a layer protection from the elements as well, and I think it matches the black accents on our 16 Tacoma here perfectly. All in all, these are going to give you about 2¼ inches worth of flat area in the step. Each of those steps has a graded plate that's embossed with the Rough Country logo, giving you a nice secure spot to plant your foot even in wet or muddy conditions. And that drop step design is going to make the steps as low as possible to make it that much easier to get your foot on there when getting in and out of your truck. Now the only flaw I could personally see in these is inherent to this drop step design. If your truck is a daily driver, these are going to be perfect for you. They shouldn't get in the way at all, but if you do plan on doing any off-roading, that drop step can very easily catch on a rock. It might be a good idea to complement these with a lift. But on the positive side, Rough Country advertises these to double as some side protection for your truck. So if these do end up taking a hit, they should be able to shrug it off. Rough Country offers these in a couple variations as well. If you have the 6-foot bed, obviously you'd have a little bit more space right about here. Obviously we're working on the short bed version today, but you can get these with the 3rd step just to make reaching over the side of the bed just that much easier as well. So pricing for the set here. One-piece drop steps are going to be expensive in their design, but Rough Country's coming in right around that $400 mark are going to be one of the most budget-friendly to feature this design. Also going to be included in that price is a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty from Rough Country. Install is going to be extremely easy, even for side steps. All the brackets are already welded on there, and we're going straight into the threaded holes already on the bottom of the Tacoma. I'm going to give it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Should only take you a half hour to an hour to get these installed on your truck with no modifications and basic hand tools. So without any further ado, let me show you what you'll need to get these done and how to do it. Tools required for this install. We used an impact just to speed things up a little bit. You could just as easily use a ratchet here as well. You're also going to need a 13mm socket. So like I said earlier, install is going to be extremely easy. Even when compared to some of the other side steps we have on our website, the brackets are already welded in place, so there's no fumbling around with those, and the threaded holes on the bottom of the Tacoma make a perfect receiver for those brackets. So we're just going to take the 13mm hardware included in the kit and tighten them down. And we're going to start at the front. As you can see, this only gets secured with one 13mm bolt. It's going to be the same process for the middle and rear bracket, except they each get 2 13mm bolts. All right guys, and that is gonna do it for my review and install of the Rough Country wheel-to-wheel Nerf side step bars in black, fitting all 05 and newer Tacoma double cabs. Thank you for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this and all things Tacoma.